Hey guys, this is my 2016 bike check for, at the moment at least. Here it is. This is my main bike I ride. Start at the top. This usually has stranger bars on it, but I just swapped the bars over because I broke my strangers. So, but this soon I'm getting a new pair. Well, those stranger bars are 8.8 by 29 across, I think. ODI grips. We'll have ODI bar ends. It's a Primo stem, Primo forks, I'm pretty sure, Odyssey chase fork, front and back wheels. The rim, I'm pretty sure it's Primo rim. I don't know what the spokes are. Stranger front and back hub. Stranger crux frame in raw. Primo seat in the camo. Stranger crux cranks. And bottle bracket. Odyssey pedals, I'm pretty sure they are Odyssey pedals, yeah. Primo chain, Primo sprocket. Same wheel on the back. And same everything on the back end. But yeah, so it usually has different bars. Usually has these bars on it. My stranger bars, I cracked them. So got a new pair of these coming, and it'll be going on those. But yeah, that's my bike check for now. I'll probably do another one later in the future because I'll be getting more parts soon. But for now, that's my bike check. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Back from the dead.